Keyboards, we all have them, and we probably use them in our everyday lives for everything that we do on a computer. Some may be membrane, some may be mechanical, and some may be made of wood. Some may also sound like metal. Anyways, it's a lot of beautiful stuff you can do with technology these days, and you could just modify it to your own means. So that's exactly what I did with my Arcade Royal Clutch 61 keyboard. Now the process for modding this was a bit interesting because I only did one mod, and it is known as a tape mod, okay? It can make your keyboard sound nicer, better, and maybe quieter. And the idea for doing a tape mod is that you have to go to the keyboard, open it up, and tape the back of the PCB. I don't know what these keyboard guys call it, but like, you're making it thockier, right? Is that what thocky means? Like, I'm thocking my keyboard? Anyways, this is what my keyboard sounded like before any of the mods that I had done. Now, before I even get into what it sounds like now, let me show you my process on how this keyboard came together. I had to unscrew these four right here in order to open up the PCB. I had to take out all of these keycaps, take out all of the switches, and then I had to get this tape and tape it 3 times over the keyboard. Legitimately, taping stuff onto the PCB wasn't even the hard part. That was most likely the easiest part. The hardest part was putting the mechanical switches back together because they have these little pins that makes it difficult, and when you like insert it, you might bend the pins. So after inserting all of the mechanical switches, I had some keys that didn't work. I generally had to pull out the keycap and switch that didn't work, and then I had to readjust the pin and then put it back in, and then it just worked magically. But yeah, if you guys want to hear what my keyboard sounds like now, let's put it to a test. All right guys, we're on monkeytype.com, and don't even ask what my camera looks like. This, it looks amazing and beautiful. Like, I think you guys love this, right? But yeah, back to what I was saying. Let's test these keys out and see how it sounds. If it sounds any different, let me know. If it doesn't sound any different, let me know as well. Anyways, keyboard time. Even pressing the buttons feel better now. I don't know if it's something to do with placebo or not, but yeah, like, you guys probably heard that metal sound. Wait, let me just play it again. When I press the key and then let the spring go, it makes that little ding, ding, like the little clank sound. Little clanker keyboard. Anyways, that is a Samood mod video. The next mod that I want to do is making my Logitech G305 a lighter. And the way we're going to be doing this is we're going to be using AAA batteries instead of AA batteries. And you know what? Let me not reveal too much about that. But basically, you guys are going to see a G305 mod in the next video. That's about it. Take care, guys.